How do I insert a column at a specific column index in pandas? Can I insert a column at a specific column index in pandas? This will put column n as the last column of df, but isn't there a way to tell df to put n at the beginning?
See docs, this URL. Using lock equals 0 will insert at the beginning.
If you want a single value for all rows, edit. You can also
This will work if there is no other column with the same name. If a column with your provided name already exists in the data frame, it will raise a value error. You can pass an optional parameter allow underscore duplicates with true value to create a new column with already existing column name. Here is an example.
You could try to extract columns as list, massage this as you want, and re-index your data frame. Edit. This can be done in one line, however, this looks a bit ugly. Maybe some cleaner proposal may come.